Hello and welcome everyone to our channel Minute Tips. Previously we have seen what is inheritance, why it is needed, the advantages of using inheritance. Now it's time to cover one more important topic in OOP, that is encapsulation. We all have heard of the definition, the term encapsulation, but we might not be knowing why it is needed, how to use it, what is the advantage of using encapsulation. And that's what we're gonna see in this video. Meanwhile, I would request you to please like, subscribe and share our videos with your friends and family. The basic definition of encapsulation. We know that wrapping the data and code in a single unit is called encapsulation. We also called it as data hiding. Now here the term data and code and single unit, data hiding looks very fancy, but deep down we might not be knowing what is this data and code and binding them in a single unit, how to achieve encapsulation. Definition wise we all know it, but implementation wise we might not know it, and that's the reason I've created this video to help you guys. Let's switch on Eclipse, do a practical work and understand this encapsulation concept. Meanwhile, what I'll do, I'll create a class customer for us. Okay, customer class. In the same file I am creating one more class, that is phone. Okay, it's not a best practice to create many classes in the same file. Okay, as I don't want to toggle between files, that's the reason I'm creating a class phone in the same file. Okay, so now my class phone has some property, that is int price. One more property is model name. Okay, model name. Perfect. In my customer class, if I quickly create the object of my phone class, the P should be capital, naming convention. Okay, P phone is equals to new phone. And now with this object, what I can do, I can set the price of my device, that is 50,000, and I can set the model name, that is, let's say iPhone 22. Let's give it a hypothetical name. Okay, now if I wanted to print the price, okay, and the model name, phone dot model name. Okay, let me just run this customer class. Okay, so you all can see that the price is 50,000 and the model device name is iPhone 22. As you all can see that my customer class, by just creating object, has a full control of changing the names, setting the value of this phone class. Okay, these two variables. Now I don't want to do that, so if I make them private, okay, now you can see here my object, I'm not able to access these two variables. Why? Because they are private. What I will do, I will quickly comment this code to now access these two variable. What is the way? We'll select it, right click, go to source, and we'll use generate getters and setters. Okay, I want to create getters and setter for both of my variables. Okay, so here my getters and setters is created. I can write this getters and setter in front of you, but to save some time I'm doing it directly. Now you can see for my price variable I have two methods. One is to get the price and other one is to set the price. Similarly for my model name I have get model name method and set model name method. Please see how the method names are defined, okay, automatically, and this way we always write our method names. Okay, number two, we can see the get method, the getters, get price or get model name methods will have a return type same as that of the return type of our variable. Okay, price is having return type integer, so here our getters will also have the same, and for model name it is string. Here our getter model name also has a string. Now as from my object, what I can do, if I wanted to now set the price, I have to use setter methods. Okay, 50,000 to set the price, and to set the model name, here I am using setter iPhone 22. Let's give it a, okay, so earlier also we give the same value, so let's just change it. Okay, let's this time give 60,000, and here I'll just change it to iPhone X. Okay, now so my values are set. In order to print those value, in order to get those values, what I will do, sys out. Okay, I will use now getters. Okay, same our object, phone object that we have created here, object dot get price, and our object name, that is phone dot get model name. Save it and run it. Now you can see my updated value of iPhone is 60,000 and my updated name is iPhone X. Now guys, you must be saying, what is the use of doing all this stuff? Okay, we just made these two variables private, wrote getters and setters for them, and with the help of getters and setters we are doing the same, setting the value, okay, and getting the value. Okay, so the advantage is, while setting the value, let's say for price, here I can add some restrictions. I can say that if my price is greater than, let's say, 70,000, okay, okay, what I'll do, I just wanted to print a message that the price is too high. Okay, make it pocket friendly. Okay, else if the price is less than 70,000, I wanted to set the price. Okay, so now we are setting our price to 60,000. According to our logic, the price is not greater than 60, so I think our price we should be able to set. If I run it, you can see the price is still 60,000. If I change my price to 90,000, okay, and if I run the same program, now inside our setters we wrote the logic that our price should not be greater than 70,000, else what we are doing, we are printing this message, and that's what we are getting here, that the price is too high, make it pocket friendly. Okay, and the default value of an integer 0 is assigned here. Or what I can do, I can write a default value as, let's say, 50,000 is my default, let's say, default value. So if I am trying to set a new value which is 90,000, and according to my logic, if I run it, so the price that I'm trying to set is too high, so my default value I can use here, the one that I gave. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so we can add some restriction, we can add some logic, that now I know that my price, if the default price that I have used is 50,000, if it is greater than 70,000, I don't want to change it. But if my price is less than 70,000, let's make it 55 and try to run. Now my updated price is 55. Okay, so this is the use of getters and setters. Inside setters you can add some extra logic according to the business, we call it business logic. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. Now whenever someone asks you what is encapsulation, tell them that every class has some variables, we'll make it private, we'll write getters and setter for those variables, so that we can write our business logic inside the setters. Okay, and it also helps us to achieve or put restriction around the code, so that no other class, by creating just object, will be able to manipulate the data. Okay, so the answer is variables, make it private, write getters and setters, and this way we achieve encapsulation. So that's for now, guys. Thank you everyone. Please like, subscribe our channel and share the video with all your friends. Meanwhile, take care and a happy new year. Bye.